Hey everyone, my name is Sandeep and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me today in a video where I'll be capturing some hopefully cool enough car photos, and I'll be going over some technical knowledge, I guess, in how to capture them best way possible. So yeah, thank you for joining again, and hope you enjoy. The reason why I'm doing this today or now, after having a car for almost 10 years, 11 years, is because I am getting tired of these wheels now. These are the staggered wheels, so the back ones are fatter than the front ones, and as cool as they may look, they're not fun to drive. So I want to put back the original wheels, but before I do that, I thought might as well capture some final photos, I guess, because I don't think I'll be going back to these wheels anytime soon. So might as well capture some cool photos and make a vlog out of it. I should have probably washed the car before coming for car photography, I guess. But oh well, we'll make do best we can. So today's weapon of choice is 70-200 attached to 5D Mark IV. Long lenses for this kind of shoot is just too good. The compression it creates and the 2.8 aperture helps get rid of all the unwanted attention in the background as well. So hopefully it plays in our favor. Let's try take some test shots. You see what I was talking about here? The compression. It helps get rid of all the unwanted tension in the back, and 2.8 adds that to butteriness. So yeah, I'm liking what I see so far. Let's see if we can use some of the tricks from North Border. I have a polarization filter, and it's really highly recommended. It's highly recommended for car photography because it gets rid of all the reflection on the windows and windshields of the car. The filter I have is a 67mm size, and the one I need is I think 77. But I use this K&F step down rings, and they're really useful. So that way you don't end up spending so much on every single size of lens you have. I made a mistake when I buy in this. I think you should also buy the biggest one possible and step down rather than stepping up. That's what I'm trying to say. What I'm trying to say is buy the biggest filter possible. Buy the biggest filter possible, and then if you need, step it down rather than going the other way, I guess. Let me show you if I can the difference with and without the filter. Just trying to show you the effect of polarization filter. So this would be a photo without a filter on, and then change the focus, and there is a filter on, filter off, filter on. So yeah, if you're into car photography or trying to get into car photography, I think polarization filter is a must. But yeah, go a size bigger. I'm recording on 4K, so it's already cropping in. That's why you don't see a vignette. But if it's a smaller than your lens size and you try to put a step up rings, it creates a vignette around it. Not pretty. I mean, one exposing for the light on and one exposing for the car. And according to experts out there, that's one of the best way to portray the light on effect on the car, and it looks pretty cool from the pictures I've seen. So let's see what we can make from that. Hopefully it works out. Still gonna leave the filter on. Let me show you the exposure for the light and how it looks. It's pretty dark, as you can see, only lights. And now we want to exposure for the car, and then later combine all of them and see what we can make do. Just gonna take a couple of more shots just so that I feel comfortable knowing that I have backups, I guess. I kind of want to do the same thing for the top. And see if I can do the multi-exposure shot in the front and see how it looks when we get home.
And I say won't leave, just a smile and I am down below. And I try to breathe, call you 7:22 a.m. Love the tone of your voice in the morning. I'm falling in love with you. Send me a light to reach for.
So if you're wondering what I was trying to do back there was I wanted to align the car on this, like I wanted the center of the car to be aligned with the center of this pathway that you see. But I gave up, and that is why I was putting away, or not putting away, but that is why I was dreading car photography. Because when something like this comes up, and then you get annoyed easily. But I'm just gonna take a shot where the car is. I couldn't center it perfectly, but I think it still looks good. So yeah, let's see what we can make.
We're running out of light. Time is changing day to night. Lines are fading out. And
Another tip. Once you get the right focus, you kind of want to put the camera on a manual focus, so on the second exposure the focus point is still the same. Alright, comment below if you guys want to see how I keep the brake light on without having a second person. It's stupid, but I just wanted to get more people commenting on the video. That's all I'm asking for. But no, seriously, if you guys want to know, comment below, I'll let you know. Going with the side profile, see how it looks there. For the side profile, maybe that's not the best location. Let's see if we can put it in the center of this blacktop and get that juicy background in the back. Whoop, whoop.
letting go is not a sin. Oh, counting
So I didn't plan on getting this amazing view, but that's what happens when you come out and shoot. You get what you don't expect. I want to show you how it looks in the camera though. You guys ready for this? It's freaking epic. Look at that shot. I don't know about you guys, but I love the freaking outline of the Mustang with that sky in the back. So right now my shutter speed is at 15 seconds just to get the car properly focused, and that is why you need tripods, people. You need tripods because you never know when you need that longer shutter speed. Yeah, it's getting pretty dark. I'm gonna head home. This is a short one. If I don't like what I see on the computer, this video probably will never be published or put out on the internet. Oh well. I came, I shot.
Take it easy, day by day. Oh, that's what we do. Watching people all stressed out, running through their lives, a game they play, 1,000 miles of sadness. I can be with you wherever, stay at home. Tomorrow, let's stay up until the morning light. Let the sun take care of your sorrow.